What's up guys, I'm back here with another video, and today I'm showing you my pellet gun. There's some holes here and it says Gammo with a little, let it focus. Focus with like a little check mark. Yeah. It's got some holes here to take away from. It's got blue here for a suppressor or some crap like that. The barrel. And yeah, pretty much. Here I can even let you look down the scope. See? It's a legit. It's a legit. It's legit. It's like $250. Piece of. Okay, hold on, let it focus. There we go. 250 bucks. I even still have the sticker on this. Let it focus, let it focus. Upside down sticker, hold on. Quality control. So yeah. Subscribe, like if you like the gun. Subscribe for more daily content. Peace out.